Welcome to my channel. Today we are diving deep into the world of finance and how you can gain through smart strategies and disciplined approaches without relying on shortcuts or empty promises. This is about building a foundation that lasts and helps you grow steadily over time. First, let us talk about the power of budgeting. When you create a clear plan for your spending, you begin to see where your money flows every day, every week, every month. This awareness is the first step toward gaining, because you cannot grow what you do not measure. When you track your expenses, you discover patterns. Maybe you spend too much on small daily habits. Maybe you overlook subscriptions or services that no longer serve you. Cutting these unnecessary costs frees up resources that can be redirected toward growth. Another key element is diversification. Imagine you are planting seeds in a garden. If you only plant one type of crop and a storm destroys it, you lose everything. But if you plant different crops, some will survive and thrive. This principle applies to finance as well. Spreading your resources across multiple opportunities reduces risk and increases the chance that at least some will grow strongly. Discipline is the silent engine behind financial gain. It is not glamorous, but it is powerful. When you set rules for yourself, such as saving a fixed portion of every income or avoiding impulsive purchases, you create habits that compound over time. Small, consistent actions build into large results, just like drops of water filling a jar. Now let us explore the concept of assets. Assets are things that hold value and can help you grow over time. They might be physical, like property or tools. They might be digital, like creative works, or intellectual property. The goal is to acquire assets that appreciate or generate value rather than liabilities that drain your resources. Another strategy is reinvestment. Whenever you gain something, reinvest a portion back into your growth. Think of it like a cycle. The more you reinvest, the stronger your foundation becomes. This could mean upgrading your skills, expanding your business, or acquiring resources that help you produce more value in the future. Speaking of skills, one of the most overlooked areas in finance is personal development. When you invest in learning new abilities, you increase your earning potential. Knowledge is a form of capital that never loses value and often multiplies when applied wisely. Whether it is learning a new language, mastering a technical skill, or understanding how markets operate, these investments in yourself pay dividends for years to come. Networking is another powerful tool. Building relationships with people who share your goals or have expertise in areas you want to explore opens doors to opportunities you might never find alone. Collaboration often leads to projects, partnerships, and ventures that accelerate growth. Let us also talk about patience. Many people want instant results, but finance rewards those who wait and stay consistent. Growth takes time. Seeds do not become trees overnight, but with care they eventually provide shade, fruit, and wood. The same applies to your financial journey. Tracking progress is essential. Set milestones and review them regularly. Celebrate small wins because they motivate you to keep going, but also analyze setbacks and learn from them. Every mistake is a lesson. Every challenge is a chance to adapt. Another way to gain is through creating multiple streams of value. Do not rely on a single source. Explore different avenues. Maybe you can start a side project. Maybe you can monetize a hobby. Maybe you can create digital products or services that generate passive flow. The more streams you build, the more resilient your financial journey becomes. Minimalism also plays a role. Simplifying your lifestyle reduces unnecessary expenses and helps you focus on what truly matters. When you cut clutter, you free up energy and resources that can be directed toward growth. Automation is a modern tool that can help you gain. Set up systems that manage repetitive tasks for you. Whether it is tracking expenses, scheduling savings, or managing projects, automation saves time and ensures consistency. Resilience is the mindset that keeps you moving forward even when challenges arise. Finance is not a straight path. There will be ups and downs, but those who stay resilient, adapt, and continue to push forward eventually reach their goals. Finally, remember that finance is not just about numbers. It is about mindset, discipline, and vision. When you align your actions with your long-term goals, every step you take brings you closer to gain. So to recap: budget wisely, diversify consistently, reinvest regularly, build assets, invest in yourself, network patiently, track progress, create multiple streams, simplify, automate, and stay resilient. These principles together form a roadmap for sustainable financial growth. Thank you for watching this video. If you found value in these insights, stay tuned for more content that helps you grow and thrive in your financial journey.